And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name?